your trusted partner in surgical excellence, Spec Surgical Industry. Today, we're showcasing our Tischler-Kevorkian biopsy punch forceps. This essential tool is a favorite among professionals for precise tissue sampling during biopsies. At Spec Surgical Industry, we manufacture top-grade tools designed to meet the needs of healthcare professionals. Our Tischler-Kevorkian biopsy punch forceps are crafted from premium stainless steel, ensuring durability, corrosion resistance, and a long lifespan. The ergonomic design allows for comfortable handling, while the sharp punch ensures accurate tissue sampling with minimal trauma. This precision tool is indispensable for gynecological procedures and other biopsy applications. As a leading manufacturer and exporter, Spec Surgical Industry is committed to delivering reliable, high-performance instruments to surgical instrument suppliers and distributors. Our products meet international quality standards, ensuring safety and efficiency in every procedure. Thank you for watching. If you are a supplier or distributor interested in our Tischler-Kevorkian biopsy punch forceps or any other surgical instruments, feel free to reach out through the contact information in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more product updates from Spec Surgical Industry.